Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Lee 750 gallon double motion agitated vessel. It has a scraper and a counter rotating agitator. You'll see the jacket ports there. It has a full body jacket, a little more rare. Normally only the bottom hemisphere is jacketed. Has a flush seating 4-inch valve manually operated under here. Tri-clamp connection, of course. Jacket is all national bore rated, has been tested by us. The drivetrain was initially rebuilt and has not been used since then. New Euro drive motor, of course the Lee standard gearbox. Let me give you a brief look inside here at the agitator. Running true and straight. Full scraper and counter rotating. You'll find this on our website under the category for kettles, then click on the subset agitated. Thank you for joining us for this video today. We hope to see you soon.